One of the challenges facing many manufacturers today is finding a skilled and dedicated workforce. With so many seasoned employees in the manufacturing industry reaching retirement, we need to hire and train new people to fill their positions. Michigan has always been known for innovation. We built great things and offered a quality of life that was second to none. But now, many Michigan families struggle to get by and make ends meet. Barron Industries provides the opportunity to change that, offering not just a job, but a pathway to a career with stability and a secure future. Giving employees confidence with great benefits such as free health insurance, a company-matched 401k, life insurance, paid holidays and vacation, training certifications. In addition to these great benefits and advancement opportunities, when you join Barron, you become part of a team that works together as a family.
You work with people every day, you become friends, you try to help each other out. I like that. My name is Lissa, I work in shipping.
Lissa started in the wax injection department, the first step in Barron's process for making metal components. The wax room is a great place for new hires to start to gain experience on the floor.
One of the great things about Barron Industries is the opportunity for advancement. I was recently advanced to the shipping department, and that's pretty exciting.
Another great place to start is in the finishing department, where no previous experience is required.
So I've been at Barron Industries for about 7 months now. I started in the finishing department doing various things such as belting, sandblasting, etc. I was then given the opportunity to change departments. I'm now in the straightening department, which I think is a great fit for me. I've been there for about 2 months and I love it. My name is Stephen Petrick and I'm in the straightening department.
We have many job opportunities available here at Barron Industries, starting from the wax process, which is the beginning of the process, going through the shell into the burnout ovens, to casting, and all the way through finishing and into the machine shop. My name is Scott Michael, and I'm the production supervisor here at Barron Industries.
I started off in finishing and knockout, and I currently work in the casting department. My name is James Siple, and I'm a caster. I decided to start working at Barron because I was looking for a new experience and I heard great things about the company.
My name's Darren Beatty. I'm the machining manager at Barron Industries. We have 4 lathes and 9 mills. We use Makino primarily with our mills. They're horizontal pallet changers, 3 and 4 axis. We're always doing our best to stay ahead of the times and up to date with current trends.
I'm Greg Barron, the Vice President of Engineering and Quality. We have several people who started out working on the shop floor and have advanced into positions in quality and engineering.
So over the course of the years, Barron Industries has sent me to many classes to improve my abilities and my knowledge when it comes to investment casting. My name is David Press. I've been a process engineer here at Barron Industries for 2 years, and before that I was an engineering assistant for 2 years. One thing that I really love about Barron Industries is the quality that we bring every day. Whether it be in the parts, the people, the processes that we do, we always strive to do our best.
We take quality very seriously, not only in the products we make, but in the people we hire.
As you can see, there's many opportunities for advancement here at Barron Industries.
So I would definitely recommend working here at Barron Industries to anybody interested in a great career.
It's a great place to work. I enjoy it. It's a good family atmosphere and there's always room for advancement.
I truly recommend a career at Barron Industries if you're looking for somewhere that you want to be part of something, you want to be part of a family, you want to feel comfortable, then please come and join us.
Don't just work for a company. Join Barron Industries, a company that works for you.